Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to do the November monthly setup in my work planner, which is in this burgundy Moterm A5 disc-bound cover. And I am using inserts that are printables and available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. And I'm going to take this insert out. I will be using this washi tape from Simply Gilded. I'm going for a non-traditional fall look. So I thought these were pretty non-traditional, even though I'm using some traditional stickers. I thought that was nice. I may use something from this sheet, Autumn Vibes from Isis Ella Jewels. Then I have these stickers from Mina's Happy Life on Etsy. I will link to them in the description box below. So I have these script stickers, and then I have the sweater weather, and this is I've used one of these, but the fall light deco. So let's see what we can do with this combination. I thought the blue would be good because of the denim, and that was like the closest color I had to it. So how do I want to proceed? We'll see how this goes. I'm going to put the bows down here. Right off, that looks really weird to me, but I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna use this doll, and I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to use those stickers from Isis Ella Jewels, unfortunately. Do I want to put fall here? I want to use these because I've had them for a while. Let's do the outfit down here, even though that's something that I don't normally do. Let's use the hat. The glasses. Put a pumpkin over here. Candle. Oops, let's use this one. I think it's a little bit smaller. Let's scoot this down a little bit. Scoot that one up. Place that right there. Kind of in the middle. Oh, I missed the gloves with the hat. Then let's put some leaves and florals. Okay, I think that's enough down there. The colors are so close that I don't really want to put too much of the same thing in the same space, if that makes sense. Okay, I think that is plenty enough of that. I really can't use these. Maybe I can use these somewhere else. I need something for Thanksgiving. I have a holiday sheet from Let's Get Planned, and I have it here, but it's the small one, but I guess I'll use it. I guess I could use all of the small stuff from here, actually. I use these also in my everyday planner. So I guess I might as well use them. Black Friday. Advent begins. So I remember all of this from my other monthly spread. Hopefully they're not too much of the same. I'm going to put her on the first because we need to sprinkle some blue around. And Cyber Monday. Am I too far out of frame? Small Biz Saturday. This is teeny tiny, so I'm going to cut it still. And then Daylight Savings ends was on the 13th, and I just ripped that sticker. Okay. Sprinkle the girls around. So let's put a little washi up top. Pull some more blue in. Let's go ahead and press these down. I do want to note a couple of days. So I'm just kind of blocking these out, knowing that I'm going to be busy on these days. Probably shouldn't have put Pumpkin Girl here. But we'll work around her. Can we get her up? So I think that's pretty much everything. It's a little traditional, a little non-traditional. Let's pop it back in, see what we've got. I have really got to get on the ball with doing my monthlies. I can't keep this up being halfway through the month before I get around to it. Okay, maybe I should be working on December now. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so we used washi tape from Simply Gilded. The deco and doll sticker are from Mina's Happy Life. The small icon stickers and scripts are from Let's Get Planned. The inserts are printable, available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. And I believe that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.